And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 72 count of damage-free wall adhesive strips. These are great for hanging holiday posters, decorations, and more. They are water resistant and double-sided. So inside of here is 72 of these double-sided poster self-adhesive wall strips, and as you can see, they just nicely pull apart, and you have one side you peel here so that the item sticks, and then another side to peel here so that said other item can stick. That's how they're double-sided. Now when you need to take these off the wall, you just pull down on this tab and it peels it off the wall without ever making any damage to your wall. Absolutely love these. So as you can see inside of here, there is 72 of these from all of these different packages. And they even have a nice little instruction guide for you and a nice little plastic case to keep all of these wall adhesive strips. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.